Video mo daw kung naglalakad.
Sige mo siya.
Yes. Gagawa. Okay. We are here now in the third part of the guitar tutorial. We're today. Tutugtugin natin yung Need You Now by Lady Antebellum. Okay. Need You Now. As you can see here, as it is written. Need You Now. So, easy as eating pinagong. Ang pagtugtog dito dahil madali lang naman yung chords. Para sa mga guitarists natin talagang we are very familiar with these chords. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. May kapo siya sa 4th fret. So, tutugtugin natin. The first chord is F. Then A minor. Tatak niyo sa isip niyo, F, A minor. So, yun lang. Yan lang tayong papalitan ng chord. Ang strumming ito is bagsakan lang. So, hindi tayo mahihirapan. No? Yan. Ito Okay, tutugtugin na natin para hindi na tayong padalas-dalas pa. Nakatamad na ako. Yes. Yan, ganun ang strum note. Yan. Ganun ang strum note. Yan. 1, 2, 3, go. F, F, F. Yeah. And I wonder if
You're mine. It happened all the time. What wonderful one. I'm a little drunk and I need you tonight. Where do we go? Where do we go? Dog control and I need you now. And I don't know why I can do that. I just need you.
Okay, yun lang. Napakadali.
Chorus.
Pagod na ako. It's, ito yung may hammering dun sa chorus. Ganito, sa letter C. So, para mas maganda yung sounds niya, kung yung regular C na ginagawa niya, papatungan yung dito sa taas para maganda yung bass. Ganyan. Tapatong nyo lang. Ganito yung hammering, ha? Ito. Tapos balik ko dito.
Palakpakan.